Hello everyone, so I hope you remember we are doing this project. I hope you remember design and implement a small company network. In this we done most of the configuration, some configuration still we need to do. I hope you remember. We are having the playlist for this one and already 6 video we completed. So if you did not watch that one, you can watch that video. Okay, in case if you did not watch that video, you can look that one. We completed the 6th video. So now we will do the remaining configuration. So till here we done. I hope you remember all the devices in the network need to get the IP from the respected router. This one we completed, and also all the device should be communicate with each other. After that we need to enable the SSH, so we need to do this one. So let's see here before moving to this one what we can do here. If you can see, this is the access point, and okay, so let's see. I will open any one device, just we will cross check it is working or not. You have IP here 20.2 and I'm going to ping someone, maybe I can say any one device here. So let me take the IP address of this machine 50.2. so I'm going to ping this 50.2 here. In our previous video we already done that one, but anyhow just before going to the next path I am doing that one 50.2. so we will ping here 50.2 and we will check it is working or not, because already inter VLAN done, so everything should work now perfectly. So now it is working. Okay, now it is working. If you see, this is the VLAN 30 is communicating with VLAN 50. This configuration is done already in our previous class. Now we need to enable the SSH. We need to enable the SSH. So what we will do, we will do the SSH configuration here. So let me go to the router and do the SSH configuration. So first thing what we need to do, like if you want to enable the SSH, we need to do the enable configuration, enable password. First we need to do this one. I am giving the password ABC and I need to create the user. So I am giving the user also ABC and password also ABC. After that line VTY 024, or before that one let's do the SSH only, no need for telnet. If you see here they mention here we need to configure the SSH only, so I will do SSH only in all the router. So what we will do, we will write here IP domain name ABC crypto. Okay, crypto, if you see crypto key, press question mark, generate RSA, and module you can give any number here 2040. I will give IP version, IP SSH version 2 we need, so I will put IP SSH version 2. After that what we will do, we will write here line VTY 024 transport input SSH. Okay, what else we need to do here? Login local, because we are asking for the local user. So I done some configuration here. This is a SSH configuration. We can check what is the IP address here we have. So with that IP we can try to do the SSH. So this is the IP. I will take this and let me go to IT department, as they are mentioning here. In IT department we can install one PC to access the all router and switches with the help of SSH. So if you see, this is the computer in IT already we installed. Now we can do the SSH. So SSH -L, we can write the username, and what else we can write here? IP. So IP is like whatever IP I copy, I will paste that one here. I will press enter, then password I give ABC, so I am able to access the router. Okay, so in the R1 configuration is done, SSH is enabled and I can access from the IT department. Same thing I need to do in the R2, R3. Then after that we will look the switch also. So what I will do in the R2, I will enable here also SSH. So how we will do the SSH configuration? we will go in the global configuration mode. We will write here. First we need to do the enable password. Enable password I am giving ABC, and we need to create the user. I will give ABC user and password. And what else? I need to give the domain name here. So I am giving domain name ABC, and then after that we will write crypto key generate RSA. Okay, and here we can give any number. I am giving this one. I will write IP SSH version 2 LAN VTY 024. After that we will say transport input SSH login local. Okay, I done the SSH configuration here also. Now we can test. Let me test also. I will check what is the IP of this router. So this router is having 12.2. Okay, this is the router 2. First we done in router 1 12.2. Okay, so I can go anywhere, or they already mentioned we should do from the IT. So we will do from IT only. So I will write SSH -L, and ABC is a user, and IP address whatever we copy from there I will paste here and press enter. If you see password is asking, give the password, enable password, and you are able to access the router via SSH. So this one working perfectly. Okay, so now I will exit, or let me save the configuration and then I will exit. So R2 configuration is also done. Now we need to do the R3. So this is the R3 configuration, simple configuration. What we need to do? We need to enable the SSH. So how we will enable the SSH? Just go here in the global configuration mode. First we will create the enable password. Okay, enable password I am giving ABC. We need to create the user. I will write username ABC, password ABC. After that we will write crypto key generate. Okay, crypto key generate RSA. Okay, we need to define domain before that one. So IP domain name ABC I am giving. Then after that crypto key generate RSA, and here we need to give any number. So I will give this number, and here 2040 I am giving, and then after that I will write IP SSH version 2. Then what we need to do? We need to write LAN VTY 024, or any number you can give. 0 to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 user can access same time. After that we will write transport input SSH login local. Okay, that's all. Any confusion? No confusion, right? This is simple only. After that, if you want to check the IP address of this device, if you see this is the IP, you can use any IP. I am using this IP. I can go to the IT department and I can use the computer which is installed in the IT, and I am going to take the SSH or telnet. Not telnet, SSH only, because they mentioned SSH and we configure SSH only here. So now if you see I am able to access, I will write ABC. Okay, ABC. Now I am inside enable password is also ABC, so I am able to access the router. So this one done for the, what we can say, this one is done for router 3. So whatever requirement they ask, we done for the all the requirement. Only in the switch we need to do the configuration. If you see here, configure SSH in all router and switch for remote access. So router done, all the configuration from starting till end we finish. Only we need to do in the switch. So now we will go to the switch.